Hello, tonight I want to show you how to use this great tool called Screecastomatic. And in order to use it, first you need to learn how to use it. So you go here to Plato Online Learning, you scroll down Student Resources all the way down here to Screencastomatic, Screen and Webcam Recorder. It's going to okay, so scroll a little bit down. Here's first, watch the recorder into tutorial. And you're going to see a tutorial here that's going to play, and it shows you how to use it.
Welcome to
That's like a 2 minute and 10 seconds. It allows you to record up to 15 minutes of video. And it's like a presentation. It's the same thing you'd be doing in class, except that you get to record it, which is kind of cool. So then right after that, after you're watching the tutorial, it shows you all the different options, which are pretty simple. Then you go here to download Screecastomatic. Once you download it, then you click on your icon and then you begin recording. Unfortunately, already I'm recording, so I can't show you that screen. So you record and you can choose, like, if you want the whole screen, if you want the active screen. It gives you different options. I kept it open so that you could see how I'm maneuvering my screen. So I go here to my PowerPoint, which you've seen already, and I go slideshow from the beginning. And I'm going to move, okay, I'm going to take this out, and then I can just give you my presentation. Slide per slide, I scroll down, and I can talk over it, as you can hear it, until my presentation is done. So it's pretty simple. It's the same as if you were in front of the classroom, except that this way you have a recording of it. So this is what I'm suggesting that you do in order to record your presentation for those of you who didn't get a chance to present it. And that way we can have Thursday off, and that way you can use Thursday for extra work if that's what you choose to do with it. But at least you have that alternative of having an hour and 15 minutes to do additional work to increase your grade. And that's basically it. So now I'm just going to stop the video, and that will stop the presentation for today. Thank you.